Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to start dropshipping on Depop as a complete beginner. I'm going to walk you through every single step that you need to know. I'm going to show you the benefits of dropshipping on Depop and why it is by far the best method for making money this year. So I have made a video at the end of last year sort of explaining how to do this. I'm making another one, an updated one for 2025 that's going to show you exactly what you need to do, so at no point will you be lost on your Depop dropshipping journey. So, first thing you're going to do, you're going to load up Depop, literally Depop, search it up on the internet. Now, you're going to head over to this login section. Oh, no, actually, I'm going to log in. You guys are going to sign up. You're going to go sign up, click the sign up button, continue with email. Now it's going to take you through where you're going to have to fill all of this stuff out. So, just fill out your details. Now put in your email address. You're going to put in whatever username you want. So as you saw at the start, mine's Jeffrey_Hansel. That's what I'm going to log back into my account, but you're going to put your username there. You're going to put in your password. Then once you go onto that, it's going to take you to another page where it's going to want you to fill out just some basic information on your banking. It's going to want you to do an SMS verification. I'm not going to go through and do all that because I'm not going to create a new account, or I already have multiple accounts and I'm making sure that I'm not going to get banned. But also I don't want to give away any sensitive information of my own. So you're just going to click next, you're just going to fill out your SMS, you're going to click next, and you're going to fill out your banking. That'll be it. I'm now going to cut to where it'll take you after that. You're going to fill out this page, you're going to fill out your phone number on the next page and put in the PIN that comes up, then you're going to fill out your banking. It's as simple as that, and that's the banking's only so they can pay you. They're never going to charge you from that. It's only so they can put money into an account when you make a sale. So I'm going to cut to where you will be after you finish those steps. So once you filled out your SMS details, you verified yourself, you put in your banking information so they can purely send you money, not so they have to take it out. This is a free site, it's purely so they can send you money. Once you've done all that, you will land on this page. Now this is their starting page. So if you're just anyone that were wanting to buy on Depop, you could come here, you could search for anything that you'd want, you could search for stuff, whatever you want. Anyway, but you're a seller. So what you're going to do is head to your profile. So this, you will see your account. You won't have any followers. You won't have sold anything, nothing like that. You won't be following anyone. So you maybe just want to fill out a few details. So you look legit, put in a bio. I do have a video on my tips on how to grow on Depop and how to be more successful that you can watch if you're struggling to put in a bio. So yes, now what you're going to want to do is sell now. We're going to list a product because we're not wasting any time. This is a quick and easy side hustle. We're getting straight into it. Now, to find your products, to find what you're going to want to sell, it is crucial that you get a supply link. Now, I'm not pushing my supply link onto you. I have one, but it does not have to be mine. Find anyone's in the world. You need to find someone who has sourced all of the products that they are in their supply link. You need someone who has checked the quality of it. So in my supply link, I've personally checked the quality, the shipping time. I've pulled on the items to make sure they're not dodgy. I've checked labels. I've made sure that they haven't turned up in big Chinese writing. And I've put all the good ones into a list here. So if you want this, you can come and get this. If not, find someone else who's done the same thing. It doesn't have to be mine. Pick someone, because otherwise you're going to find a crappy product. It's going to take a month to ship to the customer's house. Once you've sold it, you're going to get reported, you're going to get banned, and that'll be the end of your dropshipping journey. So find some good suppliers. Now I'm going to go through my supply list and find an item that I'm going to sell for this demo. So hang with me 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've gone on my supply link, I've gone onto the bracelet section, and I found this bracelet that I want to sell on my Depop. So as you can see, it's got quick enough shipping that you can claim it on, bad shipping. You've got refundable, this is fast, it's a choice item, good reviews, good products. Even come here, this is one that I really like and I try to get on all of my, on my supply link. Refunds below $10 without reason do not require returns. You don't have to ship the product back if it is no good. If it is horrible, you don't have to send it back. So that's a really good thing to know. So it is simple. I'm going to fast forward through this bit, but all you're going to do is literally screenshot these images. They've got the images there. You're just going to want to screenshot them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so as you see, I've just screenshotted, I went through and screenshotted it all. Well, got to make sure that you've loved the product so that you can find it easier later on in life when someone buys it. Now I'm going to come back to here. Remember, we're in sell now, and it takes us to here. So it's simple. We're going to upload this, copy, paste that into there. So these are going to be our photos. These are what people are going to see. Is what's going to entice people to come in and want to buy this product that you are selling. So we're just going to let them load. Now, what I like to do, I'm just going to load another Depop page. I have a copy and paste template that I always use for all of my products to make it easier, to make it look more professional when I'm selling. So I'll just give you an example of what it is. So I'm in here. I'm just going to copy this because this is mine. Don't go stealing other people's. Make your own and paste that into here. Just going to make this look nice. Now we've got it here, we're going to go, sorry, I clicked on that a bit simple, should have explained it. So, it's automatically because of their AI that they use, which is a bit terrible, but that's okay. You're going to click men jewelry, unique occasion. I leave that blank because otherwise you're limiting yourself to a specific thing. Type, it is a bracelet. Brand, now because it's non-branded, you have to go other. Do not sell, do not try to sell fakes. It's just not worth it. Now, I'm choosing designer, and it's a custom piece. You do whatever you want there. You can choose whatever you want here. Go modern. Style, same thing. I leave this. Now, I'm going to boost my product. You may not have this here. Some of you will have it, your boosting features, right from the back, and some people won't. If you don't worry. You'll still get views. I've still sold without boosting items. But if you do have it, I would select it. You pay an extra 8% fee only if you sell. That is crucial, so it doesn't cost you a thing until you sold it. City, I'm going to put where I am. I'm in the Gold Coast. Shipping price, nothing. Now, this product cost, I can't go off, I've got to go off the genuine price, because if I sell this after the 8th of February, then I've got to pay $7 and it cuts out of my profits. So I'm going to list it $24.90. That's how much. Like, obviously at the start, list your products cheaper. So it's going to cost me about probably $11 or $12 once you put in shipping and taxes onto this product. So at the start, I realistically could sell this probably for $40, but at the start, to list it cheaper, you know, even for the sake of this video, we'll go cheaper. $22.9 this product is. Sometimes it will try to give similar sold items, but it's actually a good sign if your item doesn't come up, because that means it's unique. But none of it's coming up, so that's good. And then literally, bang, post. That's it. You've now got it. You've listed your item. That's literally how easy it is to dropship on Depop. Now, I will make another video soon and link it down below when I've made it of how to then go about selling and shipping your product. But that is literally how easy it is to dropship on Depop. If I come back to my account here, my account that I use specifically for YouTube, you can see the product there. Oh, you can see the product there. It's got this little arrow above it because I'm boosting it. You may not have that feature, but that is how easy it is to dropship on Depop. That's how easy it is to make money in 2025. That's how myself and so many other people are making money, because it is so easy to get rich in 2025. And literally, I've just showed you how to do it. As a beginner, I'd recommend listing 3, 4, 5 items a day. Make your store bulky, put items on there, show that you're reputable. It's going to help you in the long run. It's going to help you make sales. Alright, so I have just gone over the basics, the very basics. I do have more videos on my channel going in deep about how to make money on Depop. I just want to keep this very short, or relatively short, so that I can show you guys how super simple it is to make money on Depop. You know, listing an item, it takes a few minutes, especially if you've got a supplier list. So get started, it is so easy. Now, I was just going to show you the supplier list. I am helping people here. You know, people are saying there are so many suppliers. Thank you, all this type of stuff on the Telegram. You can join that if you want, but once again, it does not have to be my supplier list. Buy anyone's supplier list, someone that you trust, because you don't want to get banned and you want to make sure that you are looking legit. I also have a Discord where I help people one-on-one. We're also helping them get their first sales and all of that stuff. But again, it is not 100% needed. It will help you, but it is not needed. They are linked down below if you want to join. But I'm not saying and pushing my products onto you. I'm just saying they may help. You might find them helpful. Telegram's free to join, so may as well see what's in there. So let me know down below if there's anything that you want help with. I'll make more videos if you guys need help. Any specific questions I will answer or make videos on, and I'm more than happy to do so. So ask me down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy earnings.